Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to transform this shirt into this. So I love the color of this shirt, but to be honest, I just don't wear it that much. So I'm gonna see if I can transform it into something that I would actually wear a lot more. So next, I'm basically just gonna take the marker and kind of just go where I more or less I want to cut. So here, this would be my lowest point, the center. Really, you just have to do one side. And you always want to go a little bit more. Let's see. So what you want to do next is, I don't know if you can see my marker. I did it on one side. It's kind of hard to see, but it's yellow. You'll want to fold it in the middle. Once you have it folded perfectly in the middle, you need, I would definitely recommend fabric scissors, but if you don't have, try and use some scissors that are really sharp and like cut really good through fabric, because if not, it's gonna make your fabric like super weird. It's just not gonna cut well.
I think you can never trust another, 'cause they're all out to get you. We have to live in this world together. If we open up our hearts, love can finally start. Come on and try, now's the time. 'Cause you're free to do what you want to do. You've got to live your life. Do what you want to do. 'Cause you're free to do what you want to do. You've got to live your life. Do what you want to do. Come on and try. 'Cause you're free to do what you want to do. You've got to live your life. Do what you want to do. 'Cause you're free to do what you want to do. You've got to live your life. Do what you want to do. 'Cause you're free. Where did we go wrong? Where did we lose our faith? My brother is in need, but can he depend on?
Now with your extra piece, you're actually gonna use this as a tie. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna cut the collar off.
Come on and try. Now's the time, 'cause you're free to do what you want to do. You've got to live your life. Do what you want to do. 'Cause you're free.
So here's what we have. I'm gonna cut it in half. And then we're just gonna kind of fix this part.
Are we a strangers? Does anyone really care? Deep down we're all the
This really doesn't have to be perfect.
hide our pain. You think you can never trust another, 'cause they're all out to get you. We have to live in this world together. If we open up our hearts, love can finally start.
You're gonna want to stretch it out. This is gonna be for your tie in the middle. So it'll turn into this once you stretch it out. So when you put it on, this is basically what it would look like, which is super cute too. here's the back. I actually like the raw looking hem. So next, so now with that piece that you cut, with that, you're gonna actually take your shirt along the center, grab the bottom. You're gonna grab that, and you're just gonna kind of create a tie. Ta-da! You can really do this with so many cute little shirts. I actually found this shirt at Target and it was like super cheap. But like I said, I wanted to transform it into something cuter and super easy. So this is the final of the shirt we just created. You can wear it more down, you can wear it up.